Hey everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. I am back out at my hunting property. Today is opening day bow season here in North Carolina, so just got done with the morning hunt. Didn't see a whole lot, heard a few squirrels, but it's pretty quiet. I thought there was, with the rain moving through, that maybe they'd be moving a little bit early this morning, but didn't really see anything. So maybe we come back this evening and see what we see. But for right now, I'm just gonna make some food here because I'm starving. So what do I got today? I've got my Pathfinder canteen cook set. I've got some water in there. I've got some chunk chicken breast from Walmart here, and I've got this spicy Mongolian noodle bowl. This is what I'm going to make. It's actually a microwave meal, but I'm just going to cook it in my pot, and I'm going to use my seatosummit here, 1 quart pot here, and we'll cook it as always on my Coleman stove. So I'm just going to do it off the back of the truck. There's my camping tote with all my cool stickers on it, Slammer Series of course. So let me go ahead and get the stove started, and then we'll get this kind of put together and kind of show you what it looks like. Okay, so the stove is lit, got a nice blue flame on it, so let's go ahead and get our pot opened up here. So I'm pretty sure I've shown this to you in some other videos, but you kind of just slide this handle open, and then it kind of locks, and then you can kind of lock it just like that. Put it right there, so that's kind of locked up like that. Take this lid off, put it down here for a second, take the lid off. Inside of it, you know, it comes with this cup and this little koozie holder thing, and then it comes with a single bowl, so I've showed that to you before. So right now I've just got my pot here, so I'm just going to kind of put that off to the side, and then I'm going to just bust open, of course, the spicy Mongolian noodle bowl. Put that lever down. Open this up. I'm going to have to read the directions here and see what it says. So it's pretty simple. Basically says empty contents of noodle vegetable packets into bowl, pour sauce over noodles, add 2 tablespoons of water, cover loosely with lid, and then microwave for 90 seconds. So then let's see, remove lid carefully, mix well, sprinkle topping over noodles, and enjoy. Okay, well, let's see what we got here. If I can hurry get this open. Goodness. There we go. Alright, we'll make sure all this trash gets thrown away at the end, of course. But yeah, it's kind of what it looks like out of the package here. There's all the toppings and the noodles. Microwave oven safe bowl, which is not going to be a factor today. So I'm just going to pop this open. Cool. Put that off to the side. Okay, so empty contents of noodles and vegetable. Okay, that's what we'll do then. Alright, you know what? I forgot to grab a knife, so let me go ahead and grab a knife so I can come back and cut this package open. Alright, so I got my Moore knife here. I'm just going to cut open these noodles like this. Drop them in the bowl. Cool. Perfect. Put that off to the side. Okay. So now I'm going to... So this is... vegetables. Alright, dehydrated vegetables. Nice. Let's go ahead and cut that open and add those in there. Okay. Alright, good. Let's see. Pour sauce over noodles. This is the sauce, Asian sauce, I guess. So we'll just kind of just have a rip open. No, I'll just cut it. There we go. Add this all in here. Cool. Alright, get all that out. Perfect. Just going to add that to my garbage pile over there. Okay, and add 2 tablespoons of water and cover loosely with a lid. That doesn't seem like a lot of water for this kind of meal, so I'm going to go ahead and do a couple extra things. I'm going to, pop open this can of chunk breast chicken. I am going to drain out the liquid because I don't want that in my... I'm just going to go off the camera here off to the side, just drain out that liquid. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and add this chicken to the bowl. I'm going to grab some, let's get some water from my Pathfinder canteen, as always. Love this thing. Alright, add that Just gonna add a little bit more water, kind of make it more like a soup than just to rehydrate the noodles, I guess. I've got my Gerber complete here, so I'm going to use that. I'm just going to take this part. I'm going to use the forked piece of it, and we'll get that on the heat. I'm going to turn down the flame. I'm just going to let that water and vegetables and chicken just all mixed together. I'm sure you can see that pretty good right there. So it's kind of what it looks like with the chicken and everything in there. I'm just going to go ahead and put that in here, and then just kind of bring it to a boil. Put the lid on. There you go. Got the temperature on low. And I'm just going to go ahead and let that boil, and then we'll see what we get when it's done. I think it's going to be fine. I think it's going to be delicious. So we'll just let that boil. Then when it's boiling, I'll bring you back, kind of show you what we got for the final product there. All right, everybody, just a quick word from some of the supporters of the channel. First, Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for hunters. If you're looking for a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services, LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas, meeting all your pool and spa needs. Science Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall, murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.sciencescientist.com or call 919-685-7641. Also, Tactical Creations. We're a small, personalized business that's here to help you personalize items to make the gift that you give that much more special. Visit www.tacticalcreation.com or call 770-548-2691. If you're interested in purchasing any NC Piedmont Outdoors apparel or Slammer Series apparel, visit our Teespring site. The link is in the description box. All right, everybody, let me go ahead and kind of show you what this looks like right now. Oh boy, that looks delicious. Check that out. Nice and cooked. Noodles, chicken, a spicy Mongolian Asian. This looks absolutely amazing. It's nice and warm. I think it's cooked all the way through, because it only cooks 90 seconds in the microwave, but on the bowl here like this in the pot, perfect. So this looks absolutely delicious. I'm going to go ahead and turn off my stove now, and then the last bit right here is to sprinkle on some sesame seed. So I'm going to kind of cut this. There we go. And add some sesame seeds in there. Okay, got that all out. Kind of just move that around a little bit. Wow, look at that. That is an absolutely delicious looking meal, and I'm going to enjoy it right here on my hunting property. So let me go ahead and do a quick taste test while you're here with me. Let's see. Super hot. Oh wow, that is absolutely delicious. It is just definitely like Mongolian grill, Mongolian flavor. It's delicious. The noodles, the vegetables, that sauce, it's perfect. This is going to be a great meal for my hunting proper right now after the morning hunt. So, well, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this. And again, thanks everybody for watching. If you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And we'll have another video for you soon, coming out just as fast as we can. And thanks everybody for watching. Appreciate it. We're up to 175 subscribers at this point, so looking forward to definitely growing this channel. It's really awesome. Appreciate everybody's support. So thanks everybody for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.